Morning, YouTube. Here we've got the Astro 7897 ball joint press kit. I got to use this particular kit for the first time last week doing that Chevy ball joints. Comes with warranty. 1 year limited warranty. Some other stuff. Now, ball joint. This is a ball joint. This one happens to be on the upper control arm, which gets this ball joint gets replaced with the as one piece. This whole piece, the control arm and a ball joint. So you don't need to press this one out. I don't even know if you could. But it's out of a 2006 Chevy Tahoe, but that's a ball joint. And the way a ball joint press works, oh boy, here we go with the focus, is, I'm going to try my best here. Ball joint press, you find the right cup. I put grease on here. Hopefully it'll last me a long time. Can't afford these tools. But you put this in here. And this, now again, this ain't the right, you wouldn't use this for the upper ball joint. You wouldn't do it while you have the grease syrup in there. If it's junk, it may not matter, but you just replace this whole thing and this ball joint will come out the top. The lower ball joint, you squeeze out the bottom. So this is just for demonstration purposes. You find the cup that would fit around the whole ball joint without touching the lips, the lip of it. Oh, that one doesn't have a hole. Got these ones with the holes in the bottom that accompany this. Now if this was a lower ball joint, that would go there. At the bottom of this C-clamp here is a hole. Hopefully this is all within frame here. And that goes in there like so. And you put it on there as square as possible. And you can turn this. Some people use an impact wrench, some people choose not to. And then this would come down. I use an impact wrench. And you squeeze, and this forces that down into the cup. Now this is an upper ball joint. And again, this whole unit gets replaced as one. But if it was a lower, that's how it would work. And it makes the job real easy. I use it. It had everything I need, fit perfectly. It's got the same 3 cups that come in that other kit, the smaller kit. I don't know if I needed this big kit. Let's see if we have any literature comparison of what you get in this kit that you don't get in the other kit. 7897. Here's a look at the. You can see through that. That's parts list breakdown, if that helps you at all. Application chart. So if we can get this to focus. So, Dodge, Plymouth, Chrysler, lower, upper. See here, you do some uppers. Apparently this is what it should work on. There's some uppers. You probably won't see the Chevy upper in here. Ball joint service tool. Ford. Bronco Ranger. Application chart. Ball joint, upper, lower, vehicle. 7897 dash. It's got dashes. I seen a spindle in there. 1 ton 4-wheel drive spindle lower. GM lower. Lower. Yeah, they don't mention the uppers. What years? Those are the older ones though. 73 to 95, 96, 97, 82 to 97. There's a dimension of the cups. I just grab the whole kit and I just keep trying whatever fits. Operating instructions. Brake anchor pin removal and install. U-joint assembly and disassembly. So, some other uses for it. Is that for the same kit? Looks like it. Just gonna use that to push your U-joint over. That's interesting. And we have parts list and operating instructions. So 78.97. I wonder if this is a different. Okay, yeah, there's your basic. What I was trying to demonstrate. Receiver tube, they call it. So that's how they show it in their illustrations. Clean the control arm and coat the inside diameter with a suitable lube. Alright. Don't forget your safety precautions. Always wear safety glasses and necessary protective equipment. See what else we got in this kit. Came with this importante blah blah blah. Note, important notice. Now your time is valuable. In order to reduce any downtime that you may experience as a result of a broken part or component of this product, please follow the instructions below. Astro will replace free of charge any part of this product that fails under normal use within 1 year of first use. Please do not return the entire kit to your distributor. So there you go. That's the Astro Pneumatic tool warranty. Now how they know when you first used it, I don't know. Usually it's a year after you turn in your warranty card. What else we got is this. Astro Pneumatic Tool Company. The warranty registration. Since I used it last week, maybe I should fill this out and send it in. And it came with this. What is this? Products. More products. Came with this. Let's try to zoom it in better. Must have for all engine service. Some, what are those, Noid lights? Should get some of those. 78.97. Sorry about the glare. 78.65. I don't know what. Well, there's a picture of it. So what that one has and that one has, the 78.65 and the 78.97 have, apart from each other, I don't know. So it came with this. Oh, backside. Undercar kits. All right, there's your quick release. Whatchamacallits. Looks like an oxygen sensor, socket, axle nuts, sockets. And this one's just one-sided. Undercar kits. Brake winding tool, some race driver, 2 and 3 hole puller, and the add-on kit. Master ball joint adapter kit. I don't know, in my use of this ball joint press, it seemed very solid. I have no complaints whatsoever. There was no flexing. Definitely made the job easy. I couldn't be happier with this Astro Pnuematics set. I bought it on Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid. 120, I want to say 125, somewhere in that vasectomy. But that's all I know. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.